Hello, this video is for adding a plugin, how to add a plugin to WordPress. And there are two basic ways, depending on how you want to get the actual plugin file. So you need to navigate to your backend dashboard. Most of the time it will be your website / wp-admin. And then you want to go down to the dashboard option for plugins. And here you can go about it two ways. Generally you'll need to go to add new. And you can either, the quick way is to have the plugin already downloaded from like a website or wherever you found it, right? You get the plugin file, you would go up here to upload plugin, and you would drag and drop that file right here. But sometimes you can search for plugins right here and find the same one. For example, one of my favorite plugins is WP All-in-One, a migration and backup plugin. And if I come in here, I can see, wow, there are a lot of plugins with this type of name. I already have all-in-one migration active and installed. So let's do all-in-one SEO just for a test. So you would type the name of the plugin you want to find right here, and then find your plugin, install now. Once it's installed, you'll need to hit activate. And now where that plugin goes can usually be found in your settings, or it'll be over here in your dashboard. You may have to do a little bit of working around to find it. Let's go back to the dashboard. I don't want to set up all of this, but you can see now in my dashboard I have a new option for all-in-one SEO. Now I don't want that plugin on my website, so I'm going to go back to my plugins, find all-in-one SEO, this guy right here, and I'm going to click deactivate and delete. All-in-one SEO, delete. Okay. All right, so let's find the other way. Let's say I typed in, for example, WordPress, SEO plugins to Google, right? And I'm going to go find a plugin. Usually when you're using plugins, you're trying to use them to solve a problem, right? So you're Googling out there how to solve your problem, and you find this plugin that you think will solve your problem. So you go to the website, right? Okay, I think that we just did this one. Let's use this as an example as well. So generally, you'll click on the link, and you'll be brought to the WordPress.org plugin page where you can download the plugin. Okay, so let's go ahead and download that. And you can see down here in the left, a zip file was added to my computer. So I'm going to go back to my website, and back in the backend, we're going to go to plugins, and this is the other way you can add a plugin. Add new, and then drag from your download bar right here. Oh, well, I'm not right there yet, sorry. After you hit add new, you actually need to hit upload plugin if you're going to take this path. Drag it from wherever you downloaded to right here. Bam, install now. After you install anything, you actually need to activate. So either way you do this, there's just kind of a two-step deal. Okay, now we're going to activate. And down here you can see I have all-in-one SEO added, and here's the same screen. So two different ways to get to the same endpoint. I don't want that again on my website, so I'm going to go back and deactivate. Went to plugins, then I went to deactivate once I found that plugin, and I'm going to delete. All right, and that's how you add a plugin in both ways in WordPress. Have a great day. Bye-bye.